Hi, superstars. Today we'll be talking about best places for real estate business with a high return on investment. Okay, so the essence of trading real estate or doing real estate business is to make profit and have a high return on investment. But you know what, my superstars? So many people make lots of mistakes in real estate business. For a very long period of time now, for so many months now, I've been trading real estate. I've been helping clients acquire properties for real estate in Akwaibom State, Uyo. All right, so many for land banking, for building residential houses and all that. And my superstars, I can say that I have seen a lot of things. I've seen so many things that have made me like shout, wow. 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 Yes. With these eyes, I have seen a client buy a property at 1.5 million naira. And in the space of 2 months, he divides that same plot into two parts, sells one part, 2.5 million naira, the other part, 2.5 million naira. Okay, so first grab your calculator. Imagine you buy a property at 1.5 million naira, divide it into two. 2.5 for one part, 2.5 for the other part. That's 5 million naira after sales. Okay, so if you remove your capital, that's 1.5. What you have left is 3.5 million naira in a space of 2 months. Okay, so there is actually money in real estate business. Okay, but there are things you need to do. You have to have what they call foresight. You have to know plots that are viable, plots that have high potentials. You don't just see a property, buy and keep and all that. All properties have ability to give a return on investment, but not all have a high return on investment. There are some you'll buy and you have 100%. There are some you'll buy and you have 50%. Okay, so it depends on a lot of factors, which I'll be sharing with you in this video. So if you're going into real estate business, my superstars, go grab a pen, go grab a book, because I'll be sharing with you my experiences on the field. Okay, that will help you in your journey in real estate business. All right, my superstars, so let's get started. So we need to know first that we have three types of areas in real estate. We have fully developed areas, we have developing areas, and we have non-developed areas. Okay, let me break it down. Fully developed areas are areas in which we have large population of people. You have people living around the built houses. The place is bubbling, bustling with lots of activities. Lots of modern structures are everywhere. Okay, so this sort of place is known as a fully developed area. And in areas like this, you see very scanty lands available. Very few scanty lands are available in that locality. All right, it's fully built up with houses. Okay, so this place is termed as a fully developed area. The next place is a developing area. In a developing area, you see government have just come into that community and they're like making roads. They've done the drainage and probably are about tarring the road. Okay, so that area is termed a developing area. There you have few people living, okay, and you have land available. May not be so much, but you have lands, expanse of lands available. All right, so this places are termed developing areas. All right, and the third part is non-developed areas. In this area, all you see is very large expanse of land. People use lands there mostly for farming, poultry activities and all that. You don't see people actually build and live there. You see maybe a house far away. It's a very large expanse of land. Okay, so these areas are termed as non-developed areas. One of the mistakes people make in real estate is by actually going to buy a land in a fully developed area. If you buy a land in a very fully developed area, it's going to be expensive. You could get a land at 10 million naira, at 8 million naira in a fully developed area. And guess what, my superstars? The return on investment on such a land could be like 2 million in the next 6 months. As in, if you bought it 10 million in the next 6 months, you could sell it at 12 million naira. That's an extra 2 million naira, or 14 million naira. That's an extra 4 million naira. And before you actually get a client to buy that type of property, it will take time, because not everyone can afford a 14 million land. Okay, it has to be someone who's very, very rich, has a good business going on there, and wants to build a residential house in that sort of environment. Okay, has money and is looking for luxury. All right, so trading real estate in a fully developed area can be very, very difficult, and the return on investment may not be so much within a short period of time. Okay, but trading real estate in a developing area is more profitable. What do I mean? Okay, imagine buying a property at 2.5 million naira, and then within the next 6 months you sell it at 4 million naira. That is 1.5 million naira extra on top. Okay, imagine you have four of that 2.5 million naira property. That makes 10 million naira, right? Okay, and then you have an interest of 1.5 million naira on each of those property. That's 1.5 times 4. That's 6 million naira extra within the same period you bought a property at 10 million naira in a fully developed area. Remember, in a fully developed area, you had 4 million extra as return on investment, but in a developing area, you get 6 million naira as profit within that same period of time. So you see, it is more profitable to buy properties in a developing area, because you're able to buy more and you can sell it to a lot, to people faster. Okay, so many people, you have lots of people that can afford a 4 million naira property at least. Okay, so it's easier to sell off, and you also have a higher return on investment within that short period of time. Okay, so buying properties in a developing area gives you an opportunity to make profit faster and have a high return on investment within the shortest period of time. All right, so the third one is non-developed areas. So many people tend to undermine non-developed areas, the places where you see very large expanse of land with big trees, scary bushes, and all that. So many people tend to underestimate properties like that, not knowing that that is where the real gold lies. Okay, so in non-developed areas, these are places where you have bush, nothing happening, my superstars. But you know what? This is the gold. If you can secure a property in a non-developed area and go to sleep for about 4 years and then wake up, by then development would have gotten to that place, and then you just start receiving big bank alerts. All right, over a property you probably bought at 250,000 naira, suddenly you wake up and start selling at 600,000 naira. What is that, my superstars? Or even 800,000 naira. That is huge profit. Okay, over something you bought. Imagine you bought something at 250,000, or let's not be too maybe you bought it at 300,000, and then you wake up one day and sell it at 800,000. That is 500,000 naira from each property. All right, that's huge. So this is where the real gold lies. Most real estate companies go to non-developed areas, buy properties and lock it down for a period of 4 or 5 years. And then when development has reached that area, they go and make their money. So my superstars, where would you rather invest in real estate? Is it in the developed area, fully built up area, or developing area, or non-developed area? Let me know in the comment section, and your reason, your valid reason. Okay, my superstars, so I am still available to help people who are ready to invest in real estate business in Akwaibom State, Uyo. If you need a property for commercial or residential area in Akwaibom State, Uyo, I'm always available to help you out. We do not joke, my superstars. We are very careful not to give people government land or land that have disputes or problems. We carry out search. We carry out genuine search research before putting any property out there for clients to buy. Okay, because we are very careful, because we know that any mistake made will always come back to us. So we give genuine and problem-free lands to people. So if you're interested in investing in real estate in Akwaibom State, please, you can always reach out to me and I'll help you get started. You can always send me an email or you can call me via 070-444-81914 and we'll get started. Okay, my superstars. In the meantime, I'll be giving you more videos on real estate. I'll be showing you properties from time to time in case you are interested, and I'll be teaching you lots and lots of things in real estate. For people who want to start out in real estate business, then this should be your page, because I'll be giving you lots and lots of information that will help you in real estate business. Meanwhile, in our next video, I'll be talking about a very, very important topic in real estate. So keep the date. All right, my superstars, please like and share this video, and if you love this kind of content, please write it in the comment section. I love it, as this will give me ideas on to keep going on, to keep me pumping, so I can bring more videos on real estate business. All right, till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.